Hello everyone, today's topic is Art Integrated Project Max File of Nagaland State. Please do subscribe my channel. Now first page is your introduction page, name, class, section, roll number, subject, school and session. Introduction of Nagaland. Nagaland is a landlocked state in the northeastern region of India. It is bordered by the Indian states of Arunachal Pradesh to the north, Assam to the west, Manipur to the south, and the Sagaing region of Myanmar, Burma to the east. It covers an area of 16,579 square kilometers. Nagaland became the 16th state of India on 1st December 1963. Kohima is the capital of Nagaland. Dimapur is the largest city of Nagaland. Nagaland state is divided into 16 districts. It is a home to a rich variety of natural, cultural and environmental resources. Nagaland state is known for its rich cultural heritage, ancient temples and diverse tribal communities. It is also known as the land of festivals. Nagaland is a small state by area wise, but it has many tourist destinations, industries, textiles, botanical garden and many more. Map and tribes of Nagaland state with pictures. Nagaland climate. Nagaland has a monsoonal wet dry climate. Nagaland has a largely monsoon climate with high humidity levels. Annual rainfall averages between 70 and 100 inches, 1800 and 2500 mm, and is concentrated in the months of the southwest monsoon, May to September. There is an excellent average of 16 degrees Celsius to 31 degrees Celsius approx from May to April. Strong northwest winds blow across Nagaland during the months of February and March. Graph of Nagaland climate. Nagaland population 2023. As per the Aadhaar statistics, the Nagaland population in 2022 to 2023 is 21,89,297. 2.19 millions as compared to last census 2011 is 19,80,602. Growth rate of 10.54% of population increased from year 2011 in Nagaland till 2018. Nagaland population chart. Nagaland sex ratio 2023. Sex ratio in Nagaland is 931, that is for each 1000 male, which is below national average of 940 as per latest census. In 2001, the sex ratio of female was 900 per 1000 males in Nagaland. Nagaland literacy rate. Literacy rate of Nagaland has seen upward trend and is 79.55% as per 2011 population census. We have now also got estimated 2021 literacy rate of Nagaland from government records and data. Nagaland literacy rate chart. Nagaland literacy rate 2023. Literacy rate in Nagaland has seen upward trend and is 79.55% as per latest population census. Of that, male literacy stands at 82.75% while female literacy is 76.11%. Nagaland religion-wise population 2023. Christianity is most popular religion in Nagaland with 87.93% of the state population following the same. Hinduism is the second most popular religion in Nagaland state with 8.75% following it. Muslim is third most popular religion in Nagaland state with 2.47%. Nagaland religion-wise population chart. Nagaland urban population. Out of total population of Nagaland, 28.86% people live in urban regions. The urban population of Nagaland increased by 66.57% during 2001 to 2011 period and is expected to rise further. Sex ratio is urban regions of Nagaland was 908 females per 1000 males. Nagaland rural population. Of the total population of Nagaland state, around 71.14% live in the villages of rural areas. The population growth rate in Nagaland for rural population recorded for this decade 2001 to 2011 was minus 14.55%. In rural regions of Nagaland state, female sex ratio per 1000 males was 940. Population by urban and rural chart. Thanks.